Hi, this is Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman at 704-997-2168. We're looking at a 2022 Harris Cruiser 250. This boat is powered with a Mercury 175. Let's come on up the stairs. It's got rear lounge seating. This has the safety rail and chain in the back. Plenty of cup holders, ample space. This has the Simrad in-dash chart plotter, GPS, wireless phone charger, JL audio system. This is a digital throttle and shift unit. Charging ports underneath the seats with cup holders. These are lighted also. If you'd like to come by and take a look at this Harris Cruiser or any of the others that we have in stock, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168.